Welcome to Best Display Tips. In this video, I will show you how to enable navbar on lock screen or always on display on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and S23 FE. Recently, we update my Samsung S24 FE to One UI 7 update. So add the new feature called the navbar. To use this feature or enable it, open the app drawer and tap the settings app. Now here you can search for the navbar also or scroll down until the lock screen and AOD. Tap on it. Here you can find the option navbar. Tap on it. Now here you can see check the information you need right now and start essential feature without unlocking your phone. So you can see navbar feature on the lock screen or the status bar when you unlock your device. Here you can see the live notification option. Tap on a view more. So list of the options you want to show on the live notification, on the lock screen, on the status bar, and at the top of the notification panel on your Samsung device like spots from Google, media player, maps, Samsung Health, interpreter, clock, voice recorder, Samsung Notes, emergency sharing, smart things. This is the option available to view the live notification on the lock screen. Now when we lock your phone, you can't see any navbar. So let's see with example. First of all, unlock my phone. Now here we select like clock option. So now go to the clock application on your Samsung device. Here we select the stopwatch. Tap on start. Now when you go to home screen, when you lock your phone and you can see the live notification on the navbar like this, just tap on it to view the detailed information. Also when you unlock it, you can see it in the status bar. Now you can see the status bar, just tap on it to show the information. So you can add multiple notification or multiple features. We already know the detail. Like again, go to settings. Here you can see the option spot from Google. You can also play music, Google Maps, Samsung Health. So this is the all available option. You can customize navbar on your lock screen. You can also see in the navbar when you lock your phone and tap on the screen. You can't see the always on display. Here you can see the navbar notification. In the always on display, you need to double tap it to access it. Like lock your phone, tap on it. Now when you tap on a single, you can't see any function, just double tap it to apply the always on display. That's it. Please like it, share it.